Just a quick update. There's the iPhone 5C dismantled. Didn't get to it tonight. Went and saw Jack Reacher instead, so this is what I'll be working on tomorrow after work. The phone, the motherboard, the LCD display, some screws, some card tray slot screws, parts. Yeah, so the person that gave this to me said nothing happened to it. The water indicator is tripped. There's some discolorization on this, like rust, corrosion. So I think that's why there's an error. So I'm gonna unsolder this tomorrow and see what I can do with this motherboard. Can't fix it. Can't fix it. Fun toy. Peace. Darkly Disturbed out.